Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello. Good evening. Ito na nga po yun. Ito na. Babatiin ko na po ng isang happy birthday sa iyo, Tita Dana. More birthday to come and good health always and more blessings. And mag-iingat ka palagi kung nasan ka man ngayon, Tita. Palagi nyo pong tatandaan, nandito lang po kaming mga pamangkin mo. Pag kailangan mo ng kausap, kung anong problema, nandito lang po kami. Handang makinig sa sasabihin mo. Hindi man tayo palagi magkausap, pero dito lang po ako, Tita. And I miss you. And I love you so much. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. Sana dumating yung time na magka-banding ulit po tayo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Insan, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang okay, good health of course. And sana, payo ko lang pala sa'yo. Gamitin mo to ha, hindi puro ito. Yun lang.
Happy
Hi! Princess Adana Arroyo, aka Insan. Happy birthday! Wala na akong sasabihin pang iba, kundi alagaan mo lang sarili mo. At dito lang kami mga kaibigan mo. Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Insan. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. And again, happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tot. Ingat ka palagi. Andito lang kami. Happy birthday. God bless you. We love you. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, BFF Lenny. Ingat ka palagi. I miss you.
BFF Lenny, happy birthday. Hindi man tayo laging nagkakausap araw-araw, but alam mo na I'm always here for you. Lalo na in time na may problema ka, nandito lang ako. I'm always willing to listen and especially willing to pray for you. Ngayong birthday mo, ang dalangin ko na matagpuan mo yung totoong pag-ibig at yung totoong kaligayahan sa buhay mo. Kung kailangan mo ko anytime, call me. I'm here. Handang makinig at handang mag-pray para sa iyo. Yun lang. God bless and protect you always. And more birthday to come. I love you.
BFF, happy birthday. Love you. Totoo na yan Wala nang, alam mo na, kahit nagkakatampuan tayo, mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis Adana. And lagi kang mag-iingat dyan and stay pretty. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa